Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am cleaning and decorating my kitchen for Christmas. This is part 2. If you have not seen part 1 yet, I will link that above. And as you can see, I've still got dinner on the stove, so I put away the leftovers first, and then I'm going to tackle these dishes. Now, if you're new to my channel, you probably don't know this, but we live in a 3-bedroom apartment that is old and outdated, and it does not have a dishwasher. So I have to wash every single dish by hand. I don't mind it as long as I'm able to keep the dishes under control. But since I am a stay-at-home mom to 4 boys, we do tend to use a lot of dishes throughout the day. A tip that I want to share with all of you guys, whether you're a stay-at-home mom or not, or whether you have a dishwasher or not, is, guys, to use paper plates. I know it's not the healthiest thing for the environment, but it's really great for my sanity. It helps me to kind of take a break from washing all of these dishes.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside.
Before I wash my dishes, I do like to give my sink a nice scrub, and I'm just using good old Dawn soap. Now, I have heard that baking soda works really well too. I just haven't tried that yet. When I wipe down my countertops, I like to use my favorite disinfectant spray. It's Method, that's the brand, and this is the anti-bac and bamboo scent. I love this stuff, you guys, because it's all natural and it's not filled with toxic chemicals or harsh ingredients. And in fact, I love it so much that I just signed up with Grove Collaborative to have these natural home cleaning products delivered to my door every single month. If you don't know what Grove Collaborative is, it's a company that delivers natural home and beauty products to your front door every single month. So it's kind of like a subscription service. So I just placed my very first order, and I cannot wait for it to arrive. So stay tuned for that video, because I will do a complete unboxing, let you guys see what I got, the cleaners that I got, the products that I got, and let you know if I think it's worth it. And so yeah, I'm really excited about that, and I cannot wait for it to arrive. Now that the kitchen is clean, I'm moving on to the dining area. This is where we eat, and this is also where my kids do their virtual schooling, and this table is always a mess. I have to clear it off like twice a day. Don't mind that Bath and Body Works bag on the floor back there. That actually, inside of that bag are my kids' old coats that are too small for them. I need to go donate them to Goodwill. Actually, I think what I would do is try to sell them to Once Upon a Child first. I like to do that to see if I can get some money for it before I give it away. I don't like to throw away anything that I feel like can be donated or can be resold. So it's winter time. I had to get my kids new coats. So before I get them new coats, I like to try to get rid of the old coats to keep our house clear of clutter. So what do you guys do with your kids' outgrown stuff? Do you throw them away, which I hope you don't? Do you give them away, or do you sell them away? Let me know in the comments. So to decorate my kitchen and dining table this year, I'm using Dollar Tree Christmas decor. The first thing that I saw when I went inside of Dollar Tree were these cute Santa hat chair covers, and I was so excited to try them out this year. I've never seen them before. And I also needed some new kitchen towels, and I grabbed this runner to throw on top of my table. And what I'm really excited about this year is this roll of garland. I thought that they looked like mini wreaths, and it was so cute, and I thought it would be kind of cute to hang them on my kitchen cabinet doors. that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for cleaning and decorating with me. If you want to see me clean and decorate my living room for Christmas, go ahead and watch that video next. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you'd like to see more videos from me in the future, go ahead and subscribe below and turn on your bell notifications too, so that YouTube can let you guys know when I upload a brand new video. And also, you guys, be sure to follow me over on Instagram, because I share a lot of other content there that I do not share here. I share more personal things and daily inspirational things, and I really want to connect with you guys there too. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!